Hello everyone, welcome to my porch makeover tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a space that will make you smile every time you come home and greet your guests with a warm welcome. Your front porch is the perfect place to start creating an inviting entryway for your home. First things first, let's talk about the wooden projects. I've got everything you need in my shop, from the sunshine welcome sign to the gnome. These projects are easy to make and they'll add so much charm and personality to your porch. Now let's talk about the rugs. I've linked some of my favorite porch rugs below, and they're perfect for adding some color and texture to your space. Make sure to choose a rug that's durable and can withstand all types of weather. Lastly, let's talk about the plants. Adding some greenery and flowers to your porch will make it feel more alive and welcoming. I love adding plants. It is my absolute favorite thing. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your porch into a space that will make you smile every time you come home. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to create a beautiful front porch entryway that welcomes you and your guests.